Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CVS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the CVS website URL www.cvs.com. Press enter to navigate to the home page. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see two fields for your login credentials. Enter your email address in the first field. Next, move to the second field and type in your password. Make sure to double-check both entries for accuracy. If you'd like the site to remember your login information, select the Remember Me checkbox. Once you have entered your information, click on the Sign In button below the fields. If you've entered everything correctly, you will be directed to your CVS account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once logged in, explore your account features to manage prescriptions or track orders. If you encounter any issues, check the username and password for any typos. Alternatively, ensure you are connected to the internet. Now you're logged into your CVS account and ready to manage your health needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.